Hey, what's up? My name is Ruben. Today I'm gonna walk you through on how to play a Valerie Kimani song. Someone requested that I do this song, so here is the tutorial. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. If you learn from this tutorial, leave a thumbs up. It really helps with the ranking of these tutorials. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, without wasting any more time, let's kick off right after this. So this song is in the key of C, and the progression is 4, 5, 6. So the 4 is F chord, the 5 is G chord, and the 6 is A minor chord. So you can either play it in the bar chords form, or if you prefer the open chords, then you just play the F chord here, G, and A minor chord. So quickly let me show you how to hold these chords. So the F chord, bar chord form, half bar chord form, I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1 and 2 on the first fret, and then my middle finger to play string number 3 on the second fret, and my ring finger playing string number 5 on the third fret, small finger playing string number 4 on the third fret. So that's F chord. So you can either play the full bar chord here. So the only thing that will change is that your pointer finger, you will bar across these bar chord, first fret, or you can play it here. So G chord, you will just slide this chord 2 frets above. So 1, 2. So that's G chord. So your pointer finger will now bar string 1 and 2 on the third fret. Your middle finger will play string number 3, but now on the 4th fret, and your ring finger will be on string number 5, 5th fret, small finger playing string number 6, string number 4 on the 5th fret. So that's G chord. So you can either play G chord here or as so, the way you prefer. And then finally this chord here, which is A minor. So this minor chord, I am using my pointer finger to bar string 1, 2, and 3 with my pointer finger on the 5th fret, and then my ring finger is on string number 4 on the 8th fret. No, 7th fret. String number 4 on the 7th fret. So that's A minor chord. Well, you can also use the open chords. So open chords is so your first chord is G chord, so you just maintain the G chord that F chord. You just maintain the F chord that I've shown you, and then G. So G chord, small finger string number 1 on the 3rd fret, ring finger string number 6 on the 3rd fret too, and middle finger string number 4 on the 2nd fret, string number 5 in the 2nd fret. So that G chord. Alright, so G chord, so F, G, A minor, pointer finger playing string number 2 on the 1st fret, middle finger playing string number 4 on the 2nd fret, and small finger playing string number 3 on the 2nd fret. My ring finger playing string number 3 on the 2nd fret. So F, so that's how you go and play this song. It's only 3 chords, and I'm sure you will be able to play it depending on where your level is. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. As always, if you have a song that you want me to do a tutorial on, just let me know in the comment area. Give me that thumbs up if you get value off of this tutorial, and if you're new to this channel, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, with that, let's see each other on the next one. Ciao.